Well, we are cutting across right to the Golden Temple, where the Indian hockey team has now arrived in Amritsar to visit the Golden Temple over there. They are paying their respects at the temple. This is the hockey team that has brought us so much joy and so much pride. After 41 years, this team is the one that brought us a medal and also marked the resurgence of hockey as a sport in India. They have been felicitated at various occasions by the centre as well as the state governments. At this moment, they are at the Golden Temple. Amandeep is joining us from Amritsar. Amandeep, just look at the number of people who've turned up for one glimpse as they, enter the Golden Temple.
Every single person was waiting since they have won the bronze medal after 4 decades. Every single person was waiting for this moment to watch these boys, their expressions and their faces physically, just because they have witnessed on the television screen after getting the bronze medal for the nation. Full of excitement, full of sentiments, full emotions. Celebrations are here. Everything is here. And even in fact, now the boys have reached at Golden Temple to pay obeisance. And even they have specially planned to wear the turbans to visit the Golden Temple. And you can see the visuals leading the team by Manpreet, captain, and entire team is being followed by Manpreet and certain visuals that you can see on your screen are that people are giving a rousing welcome, a grand welcome, Nupur, to these hockey players. And in fact, you can see they are in one turban all together, and people are visiting them, shaking their hands and even hugging them and getting the selfies. Every piece of celebration is visible in the Golden Temple, and even the boys are very much excited. Their faces are revealing that how much they have waited this moment. And after 4 decades, now the nation is on the celebrations that how that entire hockey men's team bring laurels to the nation with the bronze medal, breaking the barricades. And in fact, now the crowd is here to give a warm welcome to all of these players. And from here, so many celebrations have been lined up. After the Golden Temple, so many other celebrations have lined up for these boys. And even celebration after celebration is being witnessed once they started moving towards their native places. And you can see it is very much visible that how the SGPC task force has created a security circle, so at least they can walk around, just because people are wanted to get themselves clicked with these superstars, these Olympian stars, these heroes. And every single face is, Nupur, very much excited. If I can show you the more and more visuals from a wide angle, that people are actually flooded to just have one look, to just want to just wish these boys to just be a part of this celebration. And even they have, you can see this is a wide angle, Nupur. This is a wide angle. Here you can see how they have managed to get into the Golden Temple, and now they'll pay the obeisance in Golden Temple. And even they all are
Amandeep, of course,
surrounded.
Pointing out the hockey players over there praying at the Golden Temple. And we can see a large number of them over there, and the kind of security ring that has been formed around them. Amandeep, you were taking us through, you've been following this hockey team from the morning rather, that they won the bronze medal to today. And, the adulation that they're receiving across the country is something that we haven't really seen before for a sport like hockey, because most of it is mostly reserved for cricket.
Well, exactly, Nupur. It was the time of 1980 when the hockey received this rousing welcome. It was the time of Dhyan Chand when people came on the roads to welcome Dhyan Chand. It was the time of Surjit Singh when the people showering flowers when the Surjit Singh came with his hockey. And in fact, it is the time of the Indian hockey men's team in 2021. They have grabbed the bronze medal after breaking the barricades of 4 decades. It is the time. It is a historic time. time, Nupur, that every single piece of celebration is being created history just because these boys have done it well. On that day, there were no such pressure on them. In fact, after losing the semi-finals, they performed outstanding in the bronze medals, and they didn't give a single impression of any kind of pressure. They just remain in the level of confidence. They just on their skills, everything was on the field, and now after that they deserve many more celebrations. Just because, Nupur, the entire team is young, the entire team is having a best combination. They are physically very fit, and in fact everybody, every hockey expert, every athlete, former hockey captains, former athletes, they are expecting a lot from this team just because this team has that caliber to bring more and more laurels to this nation. Tokyo Olympics, bronze medal is not their destination. Destination is something else. So they will definitely reach to that also. Look at this, the emotional moment, that how they are being welcomed at Golden Temple. People are praying for them before this when they were playing on the grounds, and now people are getting emotional to meet them, to just have a look of these superstars, these Olympic stars. They are the sports stars of country, Nupur. They are the sports stars. If we talk about the drag flicker Mandeep Singh, Captain Manpreet Singh, Hardik, Harman, and all of players are like welcomed by the people here at Golden Temple. In fact, people are shooting the videos, pictures are being clicked by the people here, and in fact, you can see the visuals of these superstars. They are very much into the celebrating mode. They are very much into the celebrating mode. They just got few minutes to talk to their family, just few minutes, just because they are always remain occupied with the fans, with the people, with their relatives, but they get so few minutes to share their moments, to share their emotions with the family members in Amritsar airport. And in fact, that was a very emotional time. That was a very emotional moment, and now even you can see they are fully occupied, they are fully surrounded by the people who are walking with them. Every single step is being chased of these superstars, hockey stars, and these hockey stars are being welcomed at every step. Since they have touched down the Indian soil, they are receiving these grand welcomes, these celebrations, just because nation has planned so many things, and even the unplanned celebrations are also being carried out for these hockey stars. And in fact, you can see SGPC Golden Temple administration is trying to create a circle so that at least they can walk down to the temple to pay obeisance. Just people, look at the emotions of the people. Nupur, administration of Golden Temple, they are trying to protect these from the general people, but people are very much crazy about them. They wanted to get clicked. They are just trying to break the chain of the SGPC task force, and even they wanted to just shake hand, to get a selfie and whatnot. In fact, you can see this is the kind of environment, this is the kind of celebrations, Nupur, that India was waiting for from last 40 years. This is the kind of celebration. This is the movement. India, much awaited movement is now here, and these are the unplanned
Absolutely,
celebrations.
Amandeep, as you're pointing out, of course, these young men have brought us so much pride, and not just them, it's also the women's hockey team, which has done phenomenally well at the Olympics, but they are now back in Amritsar, and they are at the Golden Temple to pray over there, to thank the God for this. But apart from that, of course, as Amandeep has been pointing out, this is perhaps after a span of 40 years that we are seeing such glory around hockey. It is our national sport, and perhaps these young men are to be credited with the renewal of hockey and the enthusiasm that we see around the sport right now. Amandeep, I think there's something happening over there. So back to you. Take us through what's happening right now. We understand perhaps that they'll be speaking to the media.
No, no, actually, Nupur, the point is they are just trying to give some space so that a photograph can be clicked at Golden Temple with the background of Golden Temple. So they are just try to make that space. So this historic photograph will be placed at SGPC's office after getting the bronze medal. Hockey team visited the Golden Temple and SGPC welcomed them. So they are trying to create that space so that a photograph can be clicked. Just because, Nupur, the emotions of the people are not allowing them to get separate from their eyes. So the reason they are trying to create some space, but it is very difficult for the Golden Temple administration to make them separate from the general people. Just because you can see they are getting selfies from the distance also. These are the kind of emotions, this is the kind of environment, celebrations, happiness in the entire nation. And even you can see now they are getting that photograph clicked with the folded hands, paying the obeisance to God. And in fact, this is one of the historic photographs, Nupur. They all are in one turban, wearing the medals in Indian Kate Olympic 2020 mentioned, and that after getting the bronze, they are getting clicked here. And in fact, this photograph will be placed at SGPC's office to mark a memory on that. And even we will try to talk to some of the youngsters here. कैसा लग रहा है आज हॉकी की टीम आई है? मिले आप उनसे?
यस सर।
हाँ, कैसा लगा? अभी मिले किसी से कि नहीं?
नहीं, अभी तक नहीं मिले।
So even these youngsters, the kids, children, they try to meet the hockey stars, but they are not able to. So they are just walking along with the team so that in case they get any chance, they will definitely meet. Uncle, आप भी बहुत खुश लग रहे हैं आज. You're too much happy.
ਅੱਜ ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਵੱਡੀ ਹੋਰ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਹੋਰ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ? ਹਿੰਦੁਸਤਾਨ ਦਾ ਅੱਜ ਬਹੁਤ ਨਾਂ ਉੱਚਾ ਹੋਇਆ, ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦਾ ਨਾਂ ਉੱਚਾ ਹੋਇਆ। ਸ਼੍ਰੋਮਣੀ ਕਮੇਟੀ ਨੇ ਜੋ ਅੱਜ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਕੀਤਾ ਇੱਥੇ ਦਰਬਾਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਇਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਸ਼ਲਾਘਾਯੋਗ ਆ।
ਇਤਿਹਾਸਿਕ ਮੈਡਲ ਹੈ 40 ਸਾਲ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ।
ਇਹ ਇਤਿਹਾਸਕ ਜਿੱਤ 41 ਸਾਲ ਬਾਅਦ ਹਿੰਦੁਸਤਾਨ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲੀ ਆ। ਅੱਜ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਇਹ ਗੋਲਡਨ ਤਗਮਾ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਇਆ ਕਰਨਗੇ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ, ਇਹ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪੂਰਾ ਵਿਸ਼ਵਾਸ ਹੈ।
So you can see, Nupur, the excitement is all here, the celebration is all here, and even people are flooded to this team just because they are the one who break the barrier, who created the history. They have scripted the history after 40 years, 4 decades. It was 1980 when hockey brought the medal, and it was 2020 Tokyo Olympics when again hockey scripted the history. And in fact, so many
All right.
the entire team is full of entire caliber. And
absolutely, and as you're pointing out, Amandeep, what also it also will bring about perhaps is the love of the game, that is now being seen across the country. The government, of course, has honored these youngsters, and there are plans being made to make sure that hockey continues to be one of our focus points as far as sport is concerned.